y'all, welcome back to Katie Resin. Today we're going to dry some flowers. I just got this flower press off of Amazon, and I'm going to try it out today with some flowers that I got for Valentine's Day. So you have the plate down first, and then you put one of the felt pads. I'm going to flip it over that way. And then one of the wet pads, and you just kind of mist it with water. Then the fabric layer, and you mist it with water. Then you put your leaves on. I'm starting out small with small ones just because this is the first time I've ever done it. I just dropped my scissors on the floor. And I'm going to do some baby's breath, and then I'll gradually get bigger as I get better at it. Some of these look better than others. But like I said, these are for Valentine's Day. My son sent me these flowers for Valentine's Day. So I kind of like to do a little keepsake with them because they were from him. Okay, I'm not going to do any layers. So you have a felt pad, then you have another felt pad on top of it. And we spray it a little bit. I'm sorry, that's the cloth, not the felt. This is the felt pad here. So felt pad there. Spray a little bit. Then the top. Then it comes with these rubber bands. So you put them on each side. And then we are going to put it in a burst in the microwave for 1 minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just got this out of the microwave. It may be too hot to handle, I don't know, but I'm going to check it. It's not bad at all. Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. I think I probably ought to do it one more burst, but look how flat those are. Holy moly. I'm going to put that back on there, and I'm going to do another burst on it. I can't believe it presses it like that and everything. This is awesome. I'm not affiliated with this company, and I was not asked to do this video by anybody. I did this all on my own, but I am going to link this in the description so that if y'all want one, you can get one. And I just bought a bunch of flowers that I'm going to press, and once I get my eBay store open, I'll have flowers, pressed flowers for sale in there. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go burst it again. That was for 100 seconds. This time I'm just going to do 80. So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. That was another 80 bursts. Or 80 seconds. You can smell the pads a little bit on this one. Y'all, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I think that's a pressed flower. What do y'all think? Look at that. Oh, these are going to be gorgeous in something, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm gonna try a double layer. And this time I'm gonna go get flowers. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, y'all. I got some flowers this time. I'm getting brave. I'm gonna spray one spray of water on the felt pad. Then the cloth pad. I'm going to spray one spray of water. I just got these flowers yesterday at Walmart. I'm going to try to cut them off a little bit more so that they won't press like to the side. Because I'm afraid they might press to the side, y'all. Well, I guess that ain't going to happen. See, I snipped it off. And I guess that ain't going to happen, is it? I wonder if I can just push it down a little bit. That one I can get down a little bit more. I'm just going to do one layer on these. I changed my mind on doing two for right now because this is the first time I've ever used it. And I don't want to mess them up. I don't want to mess them up because they're big, pretty flowers. Okay, so I'm going to put this other cloth on top of it. Making a flower sandwich, y'all. Give that a little spray. The felt, a little spray. Then the top. Oh, heck. Let's go ahead and do it. They're just flowers, right? It's not like that's the only flowers left on earth. So I'm going to spray that felt pad on that side. I'm going to give that a little spray. I'm going to pinch the rest of that stem off just with my fingernail. I wonder if I could lay it down that way. Well, we're going to try laying this layer that away, and because I got the other laying the other way. I bet this way right here is going to look a whole lot better. I just pulled that off. Did y'all see that? I bet this way is going to look a whole lot better. But I'm learning. Okay, another cloth pad, a little spray, the felt pad, a spray, the top, it doesn't matter what way you get it because the grooves are on every side is the same. Looks like we got ourselves the flower sandwich. All right, y'all. I'm going to go give it in the burst in the microwave. I have 2 layers. So it's the first burst is going to be 100 seconds. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I'm back. I just got this out of the microwave. This was just the first burst. And you can take it up to 3 different bursts. So I'm just going to look and see how dried they are. I don't think they're very dried. I'm going to give them another burst. Yeah, I'm going to give them another burst. It's amazing how much skinnier this even comes out. You can't even see anything through those felt pads like you could before. I'll be right back. My dog's scratching at the door. She probably needs to go outside. I'll be right back. I'm going to do another burst. This is the second burst for 2 layers, so it's 80 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That was an 80-second burst, and I can kind of smell the pads this time. That looks like a pressed flower to me. Oh, look at that, y'all. And look how thin that is. I don't know, though. You think it's done? Because it's... I'm going to call it done. Okay, now these are the ones that are laying face down. We're going to do a comparison to see if they look better face up or face down. That one kind of came apart, didn't it, a little bit? You can always pull that off and put it behind another one like that or something. Okay, those are the face up ones. No, those are the face down. These are the face up. Thing got a little wonky. It doesn't matter if you put them face up or face down. Well, the face up ones kind of look a little bit better because, see, that one's a little bit distorted, and so is that one. So I'm going to go face up. Or, no, face down on big flowers. Okay, I'm going to move these out of the way. I'm going to do a spray, and I'm going to do some of these leaves on this one. I had some scissors in here. I don't know where they went to. I can never find my scissors, y'all. I'm looking on the floor first. Hang on. I'll do that baby's breath. These and the baby's breath came out of the bouquet from my son. I want to put them in something. And I got some flowers too that I'll press so that I can do a little keepsake. Since he was so sweet to send his mama flowers for Valentine's Day. Okay, that one. Yeah, I'll go ahead and snip him. Now I'm going to do several layers of this one this time. I'm going to do a 4-layer. One little spray. Another little spray. This one's kind of looking a little underqualified, isn't it? That'll be good for filler on stuff. I'm going to pack this in full See what happens. That one's a little undesirable. Okay. I think that's enough on that one. We'll tuck them in. Give it a spray. The felt pad, a little spray. Oh, need a cloth. And a little spray. I don't know what'll happen with the one that's curled up, but let's see. We'll tuck them in, cover them up. Little spray, felt pad, little spray, cloth, little spray. I'm just going to let them be in there the way that they are. That one's probably going to smash over, isn't it? Let's see if I can turn him. Let's snip that off right there. Them don't need to be in there, do they? Starting to turn a little bit. Well, I'm going to leave that big one there. I don't want them touching. And spread them out. That'll be enough on that one, I guess. Little spray. Felt pad. That one's looking a little undesirable too, isn't it? Let's tuck them in. Felt pad. The top, not dropped an elastic band. See how wide that is? Now let's put this on there. Still pretty wide, isn't it? Now let's put this one on there. That's still pretty wide. I thought I had a measuring tape over here, but I don't see it. So let's just go. I won't never remember that. Okay, from the inside of that felt pad to the inside of this one. And we're going to cut this flyer stick, or flyer. And of course, it flew off. Let me see if I can find it. I don't see it. It'd be easier if I just had a ruler. Okay. That's the width of it right there. And I'm going to leave that laying right there. And I'm going to go, and this is, what, 4 layers? So this is going to go in for 120 seconds, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Here was that stem. It's still the same. It's still the same. Well, it's a little bit left of the room in there. So it's a little bit smaller than that when we first put it in. This is warm. I don't know if I'll be able to take it apart or not yet. These are done on the first burst, y'all. That's a pressed leaf. So I guess that's the right amount of water there, huh? I'm going to do all this baby's breath here too, but y'all ain't got to watch me do all that. Okay, I'm going to move this baby's breath out of the way because I'm not going to do that on camera. I'm going to do that off because this is going to turn into too long of a video. But I got these, and we're going to play with these for a minute. I got these big carnations, and on this one, I took that off. So I'm going to put that on there just like that. Oh, look at it like that, y'all. Okay, that's what we're going to do, ain't it? I'm going to do one of these a layer. So, I'm going to get a burst of water so I don't burn it. There's one. I'm going to pick him up just like that. There's one. Isn't that going to be pretty, y'all? I hope that smashes down good. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Put a little burst of water on there. And again. Should I press him like that? Or should I take this off? I'm going to take it off. Well, I need to get a cloth on there before I... Don't want to lay it on the felt pad. I don't know what'll happen, but I don't want to go by the directions. See, I'm just pulling that off. There we go. Wonder what would happen if you just smashed that down with it. This ain't as pretty as that one is, but we'll leave that because there's two of them on there. I'm gonna do these by themselves, y'all. I'm not gonna put nothing else on there because I want to make sure these come out good. And we got us a flour sandwich. Let's get the top here. And we're going to rubber band it back up. And we got 2 layers. So we're going to go in for 100 seconds. And I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm back. You can probably hear the TV because I left the door open. Okay, I'm going to go put it in for another burst. It doesn't feel real dry. I don't want to reveal it until it's dry. Look at the water on there. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm going to go put it in for another... Let's see, I got 2 layers, so it looks like another 80 seconds. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I found my scissors. They's in the kitchen where I was cutting flowers off in there. Oh, I'm excited to see how this one turned out. Oh, now those are nice. Those stayed pretty thick too. Wonder why he's brown. You think I burnt him in there too long? Because he's brown kind of looking. Oh yeah, I burnt them, y'all. See? That was too long. You know what I did? I put it in for a 3-layer one. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay. I'm going to try these next. And it's just going to be a 1-layer. And I'm just going to put them down like that. Put that on. Squirt. Felt pad. Squirt. And my top. And put him in. So that's too long of a burst for that. I would maybe do a 30-second burst. But it says in here, if you can see it, 2 layers, 100 seconds for the first one, 80 seconds for the second. And that's exactly what I did. And then they said a third even for 50 seconds. And they obviously burnt. All right, I'm going to go put these in. This is 1 layer. I'm going to put it in for 100 seconds. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. I have to try that again. That big flower. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That turned out pretty. So it looks like it works out better if you just do 1 layer at a time. I'm going to give this a spray. And this a spray. And I'm going to rip this off again. I'm going to try to get this off the whole thing intact. I don't think I can. Maybe I can. Oh, I did it. How about that? Yeah, I'm putting that in there too. That's cute. That looks like a succulent, doesn't it? Sorry, y'all. I don't know how many people are infuriated that I'm doing this. And it's taken so long. I guess if you don't like it, you can fast forward. Right? Those that are interested, I guess, will keep on watching. I'm only going to do 2 more, and then I'm going to be done with the video. So this is going to go in for 100 seconds. Because I'm just doing 1 layers now. Because I'm chicken. Because I burnt those other ones up. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Let's see what happens. Y'all, this one ain't even done. And look, it's brown again. But this is perfect. And this is perfect. I don't know. I don't get it. I'm going to do these little yellow ones. Oh, let me spray. This might not be able to do them thick flowers, huh? What do you think, Mercy girl? Mercy is my dog. Got a little Shih Tzu. I just sprayed both sides just to see what would happen, y'all. It didn't say nothing about spraying both sides, but maybe that's what I should have done on him. That almost makes me want to do it again to see if I sprayed both sides, would it turn out brown like that? Because everything else is keeping its color. And I don't understand. Alright, I'm going to go give this a quick burst, and I'll be right back. This is going to be 100 seconds. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Well, these turned out good, too. Alright, this is going to be my last burst here. Don't slide off of there. I wish y'all could tell me if y'all wanted to see that one done over again. Because I don't know whether to do it or not, because this video is getting long. Alright, I'll be right back. 100 seconds. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Look what I brought with me. Yep, I'm going to try it again. If y'all don't want to see it, fast forward. But I gotta get it. And some people have got to see it. And if you don't want to see it, feel free to fast forward. That's fine. Look at there. Okay. I'm going to do just like I did before. I'm going to try to get this all off. in one piece because it looked like a succulent. When it was dried. Or maybe it was the piece underneath of it, wasn't it? I don't know. Yep, it was the piece underneath of it. But I'm still keeping that too. And I'm going to keep him just like that. Okay, what I'm going to do this time is 2 sprays. I just knocked them off the table. Two sprays. I'm going to leave him just like that. I'm going to put that there and that there. I'm going to pick up what I dropped on the floor. I'm going to cover, I used a different one that I didn't have in the microwave. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use ones that I ain't had in there. So I'm going to dig down to the bottom, y'all. So there's a felt pad that ain't been in the microwave lately. 2 spurts of water. The cloth pad. I'm going to do 2 squirts. And I'm going to do the flour. The petal that I tore, or I don't know what you call that. And I'm going to keep the succulent looking thing there too. Then I'm going to dig down deep and get a cloth that ain't been in the microwave for a while. This one's kind of wrinkled up a little bit, but I don't care. 2 squirts. A felt pad that ain't been in the microwave for a little bit. 2 squirts. In the top. And yeah, I squirted them. Got it on there too. I don't care. Alright, let me get my rubber band thingies back on it. Spongies, whatever. Alright. Wish me luck. Keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Let's see what happened. Nah. These look good. That looks just like a succulent. Let's see. Well, now that's a little bit better, but that is leaned over top of that. Too bad that that wasn't up like that. You might be able to push them up like that. I'm going to take that as a win. What do y'all think? That's going to be a win for me. I'm good with that. All right, now let's take a look at what I did. These are gorgeous. I love those. I did the baby's breath. These look like a succulent to me. These little green flowers we did. A little carnation. I've done some off camera in between. And I had a Reese egg. I'm buying Reese eggs and throwing them in my freezer. Them's my favorite. And there's some Shasta daisies, I guess. So I'm going to have fun with this little guy. I think you could pull these off even. And do like little buds with them. Alright, you guys. I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching as always. And when I get my eBay store, y'all will be the first to know. Thank y'all. See y'all next video.